Magandang umaga po. A very good morning to you and to everyone. Maulan na umaga dito sa Cebu. Muulan ngayon. Kagabi pa to eh. Don't know why. But anyways, market update. Yesterday, if you saw the news, President Trump was acquitted. And ayun, nag-bounce yung umangat ang market sa international, diba? Pero hindi naman lahat ng stocks umangat. Si Tesla, after a very massive climb, ayun, nag-pull back na. That's always the reason why always have a trading plan. Ang daming naipit kahapon. Saw the news na ang dami kasing na-FOMO ng mga millennials daw in the international market. So, hindi lang sa Pilipinas may na-FOMO. Right? Sa international market, when Tesla was going up, let me share the screen. When Tesla was going up, ang daming nakisabay. And without any trading plan, let me open Tesla here para ma-measure natin, right? So let me just open my chart layout. And si PSEI yesterday climbed 7352, but the bounce was expected, and I hope bumili na kayo sa mga supports ng mga stocks niyo. Marami nag-bounce yesterday. So Tesla, right, Tesla Incorporated, there it is. So massive drop from Tesla after reaching the peak kasi price range, and dito sa pinakataas niya, dami may humabol pa doon sa taas. Bumaba ng almost 26% in just 2 days. Alright, so kahapon from overall 17% yung binagsak niya from the last closing. So that's a very big drop from Tesla's prices. So ang daming naipit kahapon, nagkaipitan, right? If you wanna ask me where is the best entry point for Tesla, there's an obvious uptrend line here. That is where you test it, right? So, trends. When trading, hanap tayo ng trends, di ba? Let me just turn this down. Right. So, hanap tayo ng trends, di ba? It's the MA20 usually, what we follow here, MA20, or at least itong trend line niya. At least dyan, meron na tayong signals na pwede na natin pasukin. Use the MA20 as our major support, di ba? That is where the best place to catch it. We talked about fruit. Was that 2 days ago? Sabi ko sa inyo, pwede nyo na pasukin at MA20 right here. Diba? Because the stock is on an uptrend. This is the original trend line, but MA20 is here. Right? So, I told you, guys, kakabounce nila sa MA20. The stock is on an uptrend. This is the best place to catch it. So, pasukin nyo na. And hopefully, pumasok kayo dyan kay Frutas. Frutas was the biggest winner yesterday for 14%. Kung pinasok nyo yan doon sa MA20, congratulations, bale, di ba? What's the principle here, right? The stock is on an uptrend. Obviously, it's on an uptrend, di ba? So, the trend is your friend. It's good to test it out. And Fruit is a good company overall. And we have, let the price action do the talking. And there's just the price action right there. Hindi kasi sure ang MA20, right? Hindi naman sure ang MA20 magpapatuloy siya. It can break, right? It's just that the stock is on an uptrend, and that is where these are the things that you should be testing if you want to be a swing trader, di ba? So uptrend siya, nag-pull back na, and andun na siya sa major support niya, which is our MA20. So that is what a swing trader does. If it's on an uptrend and it's on a pullback and it's giving us buy signals, then test it out. Mas malaki kasi ang chances for it to go up if it's on an uptrend, di ba? Kaysa kahit na mag-bounce yan, hindi na uptrend, mahirap yan, may ipit tayo dyan kasi downtrend ang sinasabayan mo. But this stock is on an uptrend and created another high for on its trend. Yan, yung high niya dito, previous high niya sa trend niya is around 1.87 lang. Stock is still on an uptrend. Kaso nga lang ngayon, medyo mahina na. RSI is starting to drop. So, Frutas, hopefully, sa next niya na weakness, you can sell half of it or 3/4 of it, or 2/3 of it. So pwede nyo pa ibenta yan kasi sobrang taas na yan, right? Starting to show weakness, we're already playing at RSI oversold. But that's the principle of trading the trend. Doon tayo sa pullbacks and doon tayo sa bounces pumasok. And that's the principle yung sinasabi ko kay Tesla kanina. hindi magandang pasukin yun sa taas kasi wala tayong position doon. Kung hinabol nyo po dito sa taas at nainggit kayo, nilipad na lipad si Tesla, ipit kayo. Okay? So, congratulations sa mga nakapasok kay Tesla. I saw people posting about it. Some are sending me a message. Merong mga nagka-copy trade na may Tesla support. They were able to ride it through copy trading. So, congratulations po sa inyo. Uy, tapos na yung tapos na yung promotion ni eToro. Yesterday was the deadline. So, from today, we will count 30 days. From yesterday pala, we will count 30 days for them to process the $50. I saw, ang nakita ko is around almost 150 na nag-fund. So, that's 150, not official list lang. Yun lang yung nakita ko. So, that's how much being given to us Filipinos. Calculator. So, 150 times $50. And that's $7,500 times 50 pesos. That's almost $400,000 given to us Filipinos. So, laki na rin yun, right? That should help you in your trading. So, congratulations sa mga naka-join sa promotions. If ever nag-create na kayo ng account using my link, send me a message. I can give you the link to the webinar with Mr. RB Necesito so that you can join and I can approve it. And then you should be able to learn how to day trade through that webinar. So, if ever hindi pa kayo naka-join, please send me a message. Please create an eToro account using my link. Yun lang po ang bayad for the webinar. So, basically, it's free. Right? Yun na yung kapalit. Yan. I'll go to the comments real quick. Nestor Aquino, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning. And Grinders, magandang mapagpalang umaga sa lahat. Alright. Edgar Galang, good morning, Sir Lloyd. And sa lahat, traders, mga Team Payaman. Team Payaman nga eh. Nestor Aquino, ayun, may mga kaibigan ako umiyak sa Tesla kahapon. Yun nga eh. Ang dami pang humabol kay Tesla. Please, that's not the right trading. Alright, I did not recommend Tesla anymore because nasa taas na yun. Ang daming naipit, ang daming nainggit. Right? Hopefully, hindi kayo isa doon, mga nagda-daily grind. Argel Mendoza, morning, Sir Lloyd, and like up. WFC po, thanks. Alright, this down. Alright, dadaanan natin. Magcha-charting tayo after our discussions. If you have anything that you want to discuss, if you have any questions, please post it on the comments. Dadaanan po natin yun as long as our time allows it. Nestor Aquino, butin lang guided mo kami, Sir Lloyd. Thanks, you're welcome po. Edward Vince, good morning, Sir Lloyd, and all traders and investors. Gio Vanzar, morning. Maulan. O nga, maulan dito. Tumigil yung ulan, pero yeah, Marlo Baroro, maing buntag, Sir Lloyd. Sobrang bagal talaga sa PSE. Pag umakyat, parang nakasakay sa escalator. Para pag bumaba, naka high speed elevator. Kaya plano ka na full out investment ilipat sa eToro. That's if you weigh, kasi, yeah, totoo, yeah. That's the reason why yung mga pera ko na nasa sa PSE, hindi ko naman siya withdraw kasi ang tinira ko lang is yung mga long-term stocks ko. Long-term positions ko, and I have a few funds there pang average down for my ISM if ever maganda si ISM ang takbo. So, I'm just waiting for it to kuhan. But majority of my funds is in the international market now because mas maganda po i-trade talaga dito. Gusto ko na nga mag-copy trade na lang eh. Nakita ko yung kaibigan ko, naka-copy trade lang siya lahat. And he's gaining more than me just through copy trading. Diba? Kaysa ako nagtatrade ako sarili ko. I'm still learning the international market. So, I'm planning to do copy trading also and create a different account for copy trading. And then, still, andun pa rin yung observation ng market. So, I still have my main account to trade. Maing buntag, Sir Lloyd, sobrang bagal. Yan, totoo yan. This is from Marlo Baroro. Nestor Aquino, may swerteng Pinoy na limutan kong name sa eToro na kapag short sell siya. Wow, swerte. Oo, dapat. I have a friend na nag-short kay eToro yesterday and very massive gains. Nag-leverage pa, so sobrang laki ng gains. Alright, Nestor Aquino, short sell sa Tesla, yes. Gary Vincent de la Cruz, DMC and MBT, please. DMC is a very good position right now. DMC and MBT. Si MBT, magandang bounce kahapon di ba? Alice Kabigting, good morning, Coach. MWC, it's there already. MWC. Tech. vol, and now. Alright. So, now. Jetty, hello po sir, hello. Marim, good morning po. Edward Vince, insights rin po, sir, kay Starbucks, FedEx, Viv, MBT, and GFC sa PSE. Right. I'm gonna write these down. Dadaanan natin to in a bit. Right. Yay, thanks to $50, Sir Lloyd. You're welcome. Andres Awayan, Sir Lloyd, pasensya ka na, hindi ako nakapag-fund kay eToro. That's okay, that's okay. All I can do is try to inspire you to start funding your eToro. Pero hindi naman sa pilitan yan. Yeah, I always tell this to my friends, yung mga kaibigan ko, uy, Lloyd, paturo naman mag-investing, ganito, ganyan. I always tell them, how is your financial management going? I ask them this, right? How is your financial management going? Are you able to save consistently every month? Ganito, ganyan. Wala pa nga sila insurance, ganito, ganyan. So, I always tell them, huwag niyong pipilitin mag-stock market. Learn to manage your funds first. And if you're already saving consistently, hindi na kayo magastos, that's the time you can focus on investing. Huwag niyo pipilitin mag-investing. Ika nga, my point is, there's a right time for investing. If ever hindi pa kaya ng funds, huwag niyo pong pipilitin. Right? Again, the money you put in eToro is money you can afford to lose. This is high-risk investment. Right? If you don't have that kind of fund right now, then huwag niyo pong pipilitin. Kahit na may promo dyan, huwag niyo pilitin. Okay? Angelo Von Firma, good morning Sir Lloyd. May idea po kayo kapag magkano bank charge ng BPI pag nag-deposit sa eToro using credit card or debit card from peso to dollar? Thanks. Wala pong bank charges. The only bank charges that's significant right there is the conversion of your bank. Okay? Kasi 'di ba si Bangko, meron silang parang exchange sa kanila. Medyo mas mahal nga yung exchange from peso to dollar. Yun lang yung pinaka-charge bale. Pero transaction fee, there is no transaction fee. Nelson Panaligan, good morning Sir Lloyd. Posible ba mag-fill ng gap si MWC? Thanks. I can't say. Let's check out MWC. This is a very good question. So, daanan ko to in advance. MWC, mag-fill ng gap. Etong gap na ito, I think this is the gap that you are referring to. Let me zoom in. Is this the gap you're referring to? Mag-fill ng gap. So, the support of MWC is right here. Okay? This is the breakout level. Ito yung pinaka-main support ni MWC at around 11.32. Okay? Mga 11.10. Wait, that's the main support. If you're asking me, posible ba mag-fill ng gap? Yes, posible. Posible din hindi. Right? My point is, we cannot predict the market. You can only react accordingly. MWC is not giving us a good position right now, so don't enter it. Simple as that. Right? Antayin natin mag-pullback. And then, kung mag-bounce na siya, then saka natin pasukin. If hindi kayo tayo bibigyan, huwag niyo pong pipilitin. Huwag kayo maiinggit sa mga stocks na nililiparan na. Right? Alvin, tingnan niyo si Frutas. Diba? Right, si Fruit, I've been stopping you guys. Huwag niyo muna pasukin. Nasa uptrend pa. Antayin natin ng maganda position. Then, it gave us a good position. And there it is. I told you, that's already a buy. Test out the MA20. And then, there it is, lumipad. That is what you wait for. If hindi tayo bibigyan ng ganyan, we are swing trading ha. Nagpo-swing trading po tayo. If hindi tayo bibigyan ng ganyan, then don't. Simple as that. Hanap kayo ng ibang positions. That's a good thing about trading. Okay? Patience for the right position. If wala kayong makita, huwag kayong magte-trade. Not opening a position is still a strategy. It's still part of trading. Okay? So yeah, ako, meron akong pending order ngayon for AMD. Alright, if you wanna check out, meron akong history ba yun or orders? Ito, order. So, meron akong sell order kay AMD, right, at market. So, mag-open si AMD mamaya, maka-open ako ng short selling, right? Sell AMD yan, sell AMD. So, that's a short selling position. Why? AMD. So, there it is. So, AMD broke MA20. So, natapos niya yung trend niya, sobrang taas ng trend. Now, it broke MA20 and it's giving me a head and shoulder pattern already. Right? Head and shoulder pattern already. So, it's a red. So, that's a sell signal. So, I'm shorting AMD today. Ngayon lang ako binigyan ng magandang position ni AMD, so ngayon lang ako mag-o-open ng position. That's patience. That should be part of your trading strategy. So mamayang gabi, mag-short sell na ako kay AMD. We have a head and shoulder pattern. Look at the RSI, it's already dropping. So wala na po siyang momentum. So I'm gonna wait for this to drop and then make a reversal and then sell. Close my position and gain na yan. Hopefully, it will run my way. If ever mali ako, and umakyat sa AMD, meron akong secondary resistance dito, I can still hold my position. And then mamaya na ako magka-cut loss above that, or I can cut loss if I want to, right? But overall, this is a sell signal for me. That's why I'm short selling AMD. This is the beauty in the international market. So if ever masyado na mataas ang market, you can sit down and wait for it to drop, start dropping. Pag nagda-drop na yan siya, pwede na natin i-short sell. So I have a short selling position right now. I opened a short position so that I can enter the market later. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy ang downtrend na ni AMD and I will be gaining from it. If ever mali ako, then just cut my losses. My point is, wait for the right position. If hindi kayo bibigyan, then don't trade it. Okay? Simple as that. Asan ako? Right. So, Alvin Hotalia, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Andres Awayan, Sir, insights naman po kay CHP. Salamat po. I'll write down CHP. CHP. Right. Jert Serrano. Right. Jert Serrano, 1,000. Coach, ISM and home, please. Right. So, ISM, home. Bumagsak kapon sa ISM, ISM. Right, so ISM dropped to 2.80 and then nag-recover kaagad to 3.02. So binili ka agad. Yan, may mga nagbebenta pero may mga bumibili, di ba? So this is a very good support area for ISM. Pag nag-green yan, I would say yes. If hindi pa kayo nakabili, this is a good time to buy ISM. You should be able to buy it with how much Mr. Dennis Uy bought ISM. Yung binili niya si ISM, sobrang mura na yan kasi wholesale yon. And the market is giving us that. Salamat sa mga issues sa PSE and yan, sa issues sa market and yung mga ganon, bumabagsak ang market. So it gave us the similar price for Dennis Uy. Right? If it goes lower than that, then mas mura mo pa nabili yan kay Mr. Dennis Uy, then that's already a very good buy. Di ba? So, ISM, pag nag-green, I'd say yes, you can trade this for trading. That's a double bottom right there. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba masasabi ko? But for long-term, guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapasok kay ISM and plans to go long-term, then yeah, if you wanna speculate with ISM, if you think ISM is gonna be a good telco, then this is a good time to buy it. Alright? I will say it most probably will be a good telco. It's backed up by the government. It's supported by the government. And experience-wise, and they have the enough money for it. Andyan na si Chinatel tumutulong. I'd say they're gonna be doing good. Michael Samiento, morning, Sir Lloyd. Morning din. Edgar Galang, morning, Sir Lloyd. How is your finger? I hope it's okay. Insights ngayon sa international market. Overall, it's okay. Masakit lang yung naputol na part. I lost I lost the top part of my ring finger. So kalahati niya nawala. And always wear gloves when you're handling power tools. That was my mistake. Insights ngayon sa international market. Insights sa international market. International market is still looking good. Kasi nga lang sobrang mahal na. So I'm having second thoughts on buying it. But because of President Trump, meron pa tayong mahuhut-hut on the uptrend. So look for uptrend stocks na hindi pa gaanong mahal, and dun po. Wag na po dun sa mga sobrang mahal na. Kahapon, if you check out your notifications, sila Microsoft nag all-time high yesterday right here. And after hitting the all-time high, sell na kaagad ang mga tao. Pero sobrang taas na. It's the highest Microsoft has ever been. Sila Google, nag all-time high naman. Hindi pala si Google. Sila ano pala yun? Sila Visa, Mastercard. Yan. Isa to sa recommendation. I had a post about Visa and Mastercard. I told you, go for it. And there it is, sila, Visa, Mastercard, hindi pala all-time high si Mastercard. Sino ba yung mga Visa, Mastercard, Mastercard pa lang nag all-time high. Si Mastercard nag all-time high yesterday. I still have a post about Visa and Mastercard, how the business is doing well and with the future of consumerism. These are the companies na will be looking well, right? So Mastercard nag-breakout and then there it is. So sobrang ganda pa rin na international market. So, there's still a very big chance that this will still go up. Kaso nga lang sobrang mahal na for me. Nakakatakot na for me actually. Market should do a pullback anytime soon. Kaya hindi pa ako nag-open gaano ng mga positions. Sir, pasilip naman si Bian. So if ever mag-open kayo ng positions, dun kayo sa mga hindi pa nakalipad talaga, right? So Twitter, sila Twitter, nasa gitna pa lang. So these are the stocks that you wanna watch out for, right? So, abangan nyo po kung mag-breakout sa Twitter, pwede nyo pong pasukin kasi hindi pa siya masyado mataas compared to other stocks. Andito yung all-time high ni Twitter, andito pa lang si Twitter. Nag-uptrend siya, slow uptrend, but that's okay nonetheless. So, kung mag-breakout ito, pwede pa. Ang layo pa ng pwedeng abutin ni Twitter, di ba? Makikita nyo naman po dyan. So, mga ganitong stocks, pwede pa tong tignan. Wag lang dun sa mga sobrang taas na. Okay? Ketamine, sir, pasilip si Beyond and sa PSE si Mac. Ganda na ng galaw ni Mac. Yeah. So, if Mac confirms as a support, that would be a buy for me. So, dadaanan natin lahat ng ito. In a bit, I'm just gonna go through all the comments. Edgar Galang, 19% short sell kay Tesla kahapon. Wow, Edgar Galang. Buti hindi FOMO ha. Short sell din ako. Kay Koti, pa-check na lang din po. Right, si Koti. Galing ha. Congratulations. Right, it was bound to pull back. Oh. Yung sa ko pababa. So baka mapakatlos ako nito. Wow, amazing, Koti. Nag-gap up, right? Not sure what caused the gap up. Most probably the earnings, right? Kasi naglalabasan yung mga earnings this week. So most probably the earnings tumaas nito. So this is good for Koti. Antay kayo ng pullback and then bounce for you to enter it. Nestor Kino, advisable ba na dollar account na lang ang gamitin pag fund? May advantage ba, Sir Lloyd, versus peso account? Yes, there's a very big advantage if you use a dollar account in funding because pag dollar account ang ginamit ninyo, if meron kay ATM sa dollar account nyo, much better kasi wala nang conversion. Right? No more conversion and then para lang tong online transaction para lang kayong bumili sa Lazada. So, if ginamit niyo yung credit card nyo sa Lazada, ganun lang, walang charges. Right? No charges. Right, simple as that. Para ka lang online transaction, no charges and then no conversion kasi dollar to dollar na Right? Robert Niserio, Sir, good morning po. Want to share my 24% profits in oil. Totoo po talagang technical indicators really works in global market. Thanks po. Mabuhay po ang webinar ninyo. Robert Niserio, join the webinar. Guys, please join the webinar if gusto niyo po matuto ng day trading, gusto niyo pong gawing career in day trading. I will uulit-ulitin ko po yan every day. Be like Robert Niserio. Congratulations sa profits po ninyo. So I hope you join the webinars. Meron tayong future webinars then. It's for free. All you need to do is create an eToro account using my link. And po. So, congratulations, Robert Niserio. So, I'm gonna stop with Robert Niserio first. I'm gonna go to the other comments in a bit. Charting lang tayo ngayon. Market updates lang naman tayo ngayon Wala akong nahanda na topics. Pasensya na. Merong request kanina, WFC. Let's check out WFC. Wells Fargo. Uy, si Wells Fargo. Ta-tam! Sabi ko sa inyo, mag-green na to diba? We checked out Wells Fargo and we already saw a divergence. Dito ko na i-open si WFC. Alright, let me just adjust this. WFC. Right, Wells Fargo. So we already had a divergence here at this level right here. Diba? First divergence, second divergence is here. Divergence pa rin yan. So, it was about to go green anytime soon. And there it is. Gap up pa nga yung green niya. Diba? So, that's a very good signal for us. You can test buy Wells Fargo already. That's a good confirmation. Wells Fargo is a buy for me. I would say yes. I think papasukin ko rin ito mamaya. WFC. Right? So, I'll write this down. I'm gonna process the pending order tonight. WFC is good. Thank you for this. Hindi ko napansin si WFC. Nag-buy signal na pala. After this is a very good divergence already. I would say yes, and then with the President Trump's impeachment being, what do you call this, acquitted, I mean, na-cancel yung nawala ko sa words ko. Right, after President Trump being acquitted, nag-bounce si Wells Fargo. US Bank should be looking good. So Wells Fargo is one of the good institutions out there. So I'd say yes. Buy ito si WFC. Okay? Vince, dito tayo sa mga na-request na nasulat ko na. DMC, right? Going local DMC is at support. I'd say yes. DMC is looking well right now. Alright? I don't think it's gonna go back to the support. Nga lang si market baka mag-pull back si market na naman. Hahabol ito. It's red right now. At least man lang on the short term, you have a good valid support right here. Low risk position ngayon ni DMC. Short-term trade, short-term entry is right here. Right? Pag nag-green yan, pwede nyo pong pasukin si DMC. I don't want you to go aggressive in the PSE right now, so konting pera lang. If ever yung budget nyo dati 50,000 sa isang trade, kalahatiin nyo lang po. That's what I mean by do not go aggressive. Right? Stay cash nga as much as possible. DMC, MBT, si MBT, wait for the pullback na tayo kay MBT. Lakas yung bounce ni MBT. Lakas, ganda ng volume kasi. Alright, so MBT, let's wait for it to do a pullback and then confirm a support or make a higher low at the very least. That's the best entry point for MBT. I don't want you to go in there. Magpo-pullback po yan, don't worry. If hindi, then wag kayong mainggit, right? Just follow your system as much as possible. MWC, si MWC, wait for the pullback and bounce before you want to enter MWC. Tech, right, si Tech. Pula na ba si Tech kahapon? Hindi, pula si Tech kahapon. So, best area to enter Tech is at, galing ni Tech, from 3 pesos, naging 10 pesos. Amazing Tech. Problem ko dito kay Tech is showing us a lower high. I want this to do a breakout man lang from here, at least near MA20. We are near MA20 right now. Pag nag-breakout yan, that would be a good confirmation na yung resistance niya hindi magsusustain. Right? Tech, MA20 bounce. So, ang ganda na MA20 bounce. Kaso nga lang, yung resistance niya mabagal na. Having second thoughts kay Tech. If you really want to get after Tech, get a confirmation, get a breakout. Right? Antayin niyo pa yung breakout ni Tech. Huwag niyo po habulin ngayon. Vulcan. Nakalipad na yun Tapos na yun Right? Sobrang taas na nalipad nun. Vulcan. Right? Si Vulcan. Hard to say. Vulcan. Right, sorry. So, si Vulcan is really hard to tell right now. Mahirap sabihin, right? As pag ganito mix na mga signals, parang ano lang yan, parang relasyon lang yan. Pag may liniligawan kayo or may naliligaw sa inyo, maghugot ba bigla? If ever minsan yes or minsan no, yung parang mixed signals, please treat mixed signals as a no. Okay? It's a no. So, wag na po. Right? Wag muna dito. I can't say. At least man lang kung mag-support ito and mag-bounce dito, at least low risk tayo. We have a resistance right there. At least maganda yung risk to reward ratio natin. That's where you get in. But right now, it's in between both. So, wag na lang pipilitin. Okay? Maipit lang kayo dyan. Wala tayong magandang entry. Noel Taranco, Coach, nag-create ako ng account sa eToro last year using your link. Pwede ba mag-access ng free webinar? Yes, you can. Alright? Sa susunod nito, dapat yung eToro account nyo may fund na ha. Dapat fundan nyo na yan. Please join us in the international market. Sayang po. I'm not downgrading, I'm not bad-mouthing PSE. It's just that, reality check lang tayo. As much as possible, if gusto nyo po maglaro, play in a better playing field, di ba? I've talked to so many traders, and PSE has been crushing their uh, confidence in trading. And I told them it's not the system, it's not your system, right? Especially when you're still practicing. The problem is you are playing on the wrong field, right? PSE is one of the hardest market to trade. Number one, walang short selling. Number two, ang liquidity. So, sobrang hirap ng i-trade sa PSE. And then you're practicing there. Syempre, makakrush talaga ang confidence ninyo, right? It's like starting, if you wanna be a comedian, kung didiretso kayo, kung kakasimula mo pa lang, and punta ka sa mga sikat na mga comedy bars, and if you wanna compete with the comedians there, you are gonna break your confidence. Kakainin ka ng buhay dyan. Pero punta ka dun sa mga comedy bars na mga mumurahin, pagtingin mo sa mga comedian dun, it will boost your confidence kasi sabihin mo, kaya ko to. 'Di ba? Right? So, same with PSE, I mean in trading, if you're PSE is for very good traders, right? Napakadaming magagaling na traders sa PSE, but it's a field for very good traders. And if you wanna compete there, it's gonna crush your confidence. Play in a better playing field. Mas magandang playing field sa international market. So please join the international market if you want, as much as possible. Doon kayo maglaro, doon kayo mag-trade. That is where you practice, and it's gonna build your confidence, I tell you. Okay? So, yeah, para wag mo masira yung confidence ninyo. Next naman tayo, tech, vol, and now. Right. Now. Alright, now is spaghetti pababa pa si now. Right? Stay away from now for now. Let's see if let's look at it at the supports. Now, wala pa tayong support, wala pa tayong bounce for now, and no signals to buy for now. So stay away from it. It's not to buy for me. Starbucks. Ito si Starbucks. Gusto ko si Starbucks mag-support muna. At least man lang mag-support dito, then we can try to enter Starbucks. Right now, it's showing us lower highs. So, baka mag-downtrend ito si Starbucks. Abangan natin sa support. And then, let's see from there. Binenta ko na yung Starbucks ko. Buti na lang at kasi bumagsak si Starbucks after. Let's wait for Starbucks to stabilize and give us clearer signals on supports before we want to start buying Starbucks. FedEx. Uy, FedEx. Oh, good. Overall, pababa si FedEx pero palapit na siya sa support niya. Gap up yesterday for FedEx, so this is looking well. Range trade for FedEx, right? So support here, resistances are here, so we are still on the supports, and then you still have that level right there for gains. Yeah, FedEx is for range trade for now. Viv. Si Vivo ba ito? Viva Systems, iba. Hindi ko kilala to si Viva Systems. But technical analysis wise, let's cover it. It's on an uptrend, higher highs. Lows are starting to go up, so this is good. It's doing a pullback right now. The next bounce should be good for this stock. Technical analysis wise, okay? So, meron na tayong uptrend dito. This is good. Good find. Si Viv. Benji Unabia. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Tanong ko lang po, ano po ba ginagamit nyo na indicator para ma-identify ang trend reversal? Lagi kasi yung lugi sa trading ko, konti lang ang gains. Ano po ang gagawin? Alright, actually, I don't know if it was you who requested that yesterday, spotting trends and reversals. So, we'll talk more about that tomorrow. Iyan po ito topic natin. Alright, I'll focus more on that kasi hindi ko ma-justify yung discussion yan in our time slot for today. So, that will be our topic for tomorrow. Spot, trend, stages, and reversals. Okay? Now, that's for you, Benji. Ayan yung topic natin. So, gusto niyo po mag-review tayo bukas sa mga bagong viewers na hindi pa alam ito. This will be a refresher. And for those newbies, this is gonna be a very good lesson for you. Okay, abangan nyo po bukas. Okay? That's for the newbies out there. FedEx, Viv, tapos na tayo kay Viv, MBT, Metrobank, I covered MBT already, tapos na tayo kay Metrobank. JFC, ito si JFC, kamusta natin si JFC? Si JFC natutulog pa. Okay? It's not now at 190. Abangan natin sa support si JFC. Right? Market is bouncing, so support is now at, JFC is now at supports. So anytime soon, pag nag-green to, you can test buy already. Hindi naman sa test buy is for trading. I strongly recommend JFC for long term still. Overall, napakaganda pa rin ng company na ito. I'll be recommending JFC for long term. So here at this level is the start of your accumulation. So buy some here. Okay? And then if mag-uptrend na talaga, then you buy more. Okay? So double bottom na tayo. Papunta na tayo sa double bottom. That's a very good signal for JFC. And tingnan natin kung saan siya mag-bottom. And if it's gonna be a divergence, then definitely that's a buy. That will be a secondary nito. Ganito yung nangyayari, oh. Bumagsak, nag-bottom, right? So, double bottom tayo dito, but RSIs are looking good at these levels. Was that on this level? No. I forgot which level was that. I think that was here. I can't find it. Is it here? Ayan, ito pala. Sobrang layo na pala noon. So, this is a double bottom after downtrend rally ni JFC. But RSI was better at that level. So, that was a very good bottom. Hopefully, we'll see it here. If ever we see a bottom and it's gonna be a divergence, that's gonna be a very good signal for JFC. Definitely, it's gonna be a buy from there. Wealth Gainer, good morning, Coach. What time on trading sa eToro? Thanks. Depende po yan sa market and asset eh. If you wanna trade gold and oil, that's 24/5. So, kahit anong oras, basta it's a weekday. If ever US stocks po, 10:30 po sa gabi dito. Okay? Watching from Japan, Joel Zarate. Good morning po. JFC CHP. And may question about CHP kanina. Right, daanan ko na lahat ng mga nasulat ko para wala akong ma-miss, walang magtampo sa akin. CHP gave us a good divergence right here. Right? So, CHP... Ay, si CHP. Ayoko CHP kasi downtrend. Pero sobrang mura na eh. It's a dilemma of those. So, short-term trading chips, CHP, if ever mag-bounce yan, that's gonna be a good support. Pwede nyo po i-test ito. Konti lang ha. Test try lang. We have a divergence right here. Sobrang mura na kasi. That's the only thing I can say. Pero, ang mura kasi, si market ang magdidictate eh. I can see volume spikes already. So, this should constitute to something, di ba? So, we have good volume right here. Volume building up at the background. Nakita nyo naman po yan. And we have a divergence right there. I'd say, yeah, if you feel aggressive, pag nag-bounce yan, you can go aggressive on this. Tingnan natin how this will play out in the next few days. I would say, yes, put some money in this. Let's say, mga 10K, mga ganun, pang test buy. Right? So, hopefully, we are right. Nagda-divergence na eh. Right? And then, we have good volume. This should account to something. Okay? So, CHP, trading. Strictly trading lang, ha? ISM, we covered ISM already. Si Home naman, tulad nila VLL, nagsibagsakan. Ingat muna. This bounce is expected because sobrang taas ng spike niya. I want it to stabilize at the very least kung gusto niyo i-consider si Home. Kasama nila VLL, bumagsak to eh. Sobrang taas na. So, nag-take profit sa mga tao. Ayun, bumagsak. Beyond Meat. Right, Beyond Meat. I recommended Beyond Meat here. Tumaas na siya. Sa MA20 niya, nagko-collapse. So, I cannot recommend Beyond Meat anymore. It's now playing below MA20. Dalawang beses na pumula. So, let's wait for Beyond Meat to settle again before we wanna recommend it again. But I did recommend it here. Sobrang laki ng gains natin doon sa mga 83% for Beyond Meat when we recommended it. Amazing. So, Beyond Meat, not yet the time to buy. Mac for PSE. Right, so Mac have 3 stooges and 3 white soldiers. That's a good sign for Mac. So, let's wait for it to pull back and the next bounce is a good entry for Mac. Okay? This is a very good signal for Mac. Sobrang mura na kasi ni Mac eh. Sobrang grabe na yung bagsak niya. But still a very good company. This is a good sign for Mac. Actually, hindi ko alam kung magtutuloy-tuloy nito eh. right? Accumulate for Mac, buy some. If it goes to support, buy some more. Very good company. I strongly recommend you accumulate this instead of trading it. But if you want to trade it, like, wait for the pullback and bounce. Crazy Asian, good day, boss. Like, been reading comments about dividend play for ABA, 10% per share. That's the beauty about ABA. That's the reason why isa yan sa mga bagger stocks ko noon si ABA, and we were able to win so much with ABA. 10% per share, and MAC estimated 0.5 per share. Hope you can enlighten us about this. This should help, this should help the stocks go up, right? Pero what are you after? Are you after the the what do you call this? Are you after the dividends? Kasi after the dividends, you can get the dividends, but expect na may ipit kayo dyan, and we don't know if it's gonna recover right away. Okay? So you can take advantage of the climb towards the dividend X date, and then lumabas lang kayo kaagad. Pwede naman po yan. But those are very good numbers for dividends. I'd say yes, go for the dividends. ABA is a very rich company right now. That's the reason why I've been recommending ABA before. Pero para sa akin, nakalipad na kasi si ABA, kaya hindi ko muna pinapansin ngayon eh. Right? Keanu Villegas, sir, how do you determine if na-hit na yung 52-week high na isang stock? How do you determine if na-hit na? Meaning, for the past 52 weeks, right, meron tayong screener dyan eh. I don't know if invest the screener. Screener. May bayad na ba yung screener ni Investa ngayon? Yeah, so may bayad na siya. So if ever ganito ang gawin nyo. Alright. Go to msn.com .ph. Make sure you are in the PH website para PH stocks ang lumabas. Then go to money, right? Click on money, and then click on this right here, stock screener. So PSE ito, PSE stocks, and then meron po ditong 52-week highs. Sino mga companies na nag-52-week highs? Click on that, and then makita nyo po dyan ang mga nag-52-week high yesterday. Okay? So, year high today, yes, no. So, ito yung mga nag-52-week high lately. No, hindi. Lahat lumabas eh. Not sure ba? But ito yung mga nag-52-week high. Okay? So, Philippine stock market yesterday. Sun Life, CPG. Si CPG nag-52-week high. Right, let's see. Hindi ko na kasi nabibisita itong nito eh. Hindi eh. Dati sa screener kasi meron to eh, pero nagpapabayad din sa screener. So, ganito na lang, mag-follow na lang kayo. Follow to Trade Asia's Facebook page, or sino ba? Si Wealth Securities na Facebook page, nagpo-post sila lagi ng 52-week high or 52-week low. Ganun na lang. Yun lang for now. Hanapan ko kayo ng dati ito yung ginagamit ko, pero hindi kasi ako I don't really monitor 52-week high because I'm a position trader and I want to position on those good companies na nasa baba pa. Good morning, Sir Lloyd Abu from Abu Dhabi. Good morning po sa inyo dyan. Malen Cruz, malamig pa dyan ngayon, February. I can remember last year, nasa Dubai, Abu Dhabi ako, tsaka Qatar for a seminar there with our fellow Filipinos. Lamig pa ng panahon na ito. So, nakakamiss. One of these days, punta kami dyan. For the Dubai Expo most probably. Punta kami dyan. Malen Cruz, ayan. Insights po kay gold at Alibaba at Amazon. Right, so gold, I'm expecting for gold to drop for a bit. Because ang markets is ang markets and there it is, bumaba nga si gold. Because the markets are doing well, right? Kung ang international market mag-pull back na, yung sila Dow Jones, yung mga international market natin, pag nag-collapse yan, expect gold to go up, right? Para sila ang opposite kasi nagwi-withdraw ang mga tao dyan, nilalagay nila sa gold yung pera, right? Because gold is a safe haven. So gold tends to go up. International market is starting to go up again. That's why gold has been dropping. But we have a support right here. Maganda i-trade ngayon kay gold, right? Long-term chart niya is on a sideways trend. This is looking good. We are playing at support level. So maghanap lang kayo ng mga buy positions as the support, and that should be good for gold. Alibaba at Amazon, baba. Si Baba nag 52 nag all-time high to lately lang eh. Yes, tama. So, nag 52-week high, sobrang gap down, lower highs na for Baba. Mga dito short. Right, it's not a buy anymore. Meron pa tayong resistance dito, so I don't wanna recommend buying it anymore. Though wala pa tayong confirm na downtrend, nag-downtrend siya dito pero bumalik rin kaagad sa taas. So the high is kind of higher. So it's a mix of both. I want this to really start an uptrend before short selling it. I don't want to buy this anymore kasi masyado mataas na. I will not recommend Baba anymore. So dead man muna tayo kay Baba. Si Amazon naman kaka 52-week high lang nito. Kaka all-time high lang nito. So Amazon is doing gap up after the earnings, sobrang taas. We want Amazon to pull back and bounce before we want to get in. Amazon started a new trend again. So triple top na yan, no? Triple top. And still very bullish overall on the long term. So Amazon, ang ganda tingnan. Yeah, pag nag-sustain ito ng breakout on the resistance, then you can buy it. Or the next pullback and bounce, that will be our entry point. Nestor Aquino, do you have a list of those stocks na giving best dividends? Thanks. Use this screener and then go to filters natin. Go to high dividend yields. Ito. High dividend yields. And then, these are the companies na matataas ang high dividend yields. Pinakamataas si SAC. I like GMA7 when it comes to dividends. Shell PH, okay rin. Si GMA7, habang mura pa. Maganda ito. Ito yung mga companies na maganda ang dividend yields. Okay? So, please check it out. Yung sa screener na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Ambrosio, Coach, insights po kay CSA. Comcast. Alright, so I want this to go down. If ever it goes back down to support, magpupula ka agad eh. We're seeing lower highs kasi eh. So, I want this to go back down to support. Pag nag-support ito and then bounce, at least man lang dyan natin pasukin. We have a confirmed support right here. So, support entry for Comcast. Benji Unabia, somehow your message got retracted. Pa-check po, lift from Marims. I still have lift. Still okay for me. I'm still holding my lift. Right? Nag-breakout siya. Pero nag-pull back kaagad. And then, overall, still looking well. Still riding on the trend. So, hopefully, mag-sustain pa yung trend niya sa lift. It's still good buy for me. If ever mag-bounce sa MA20, then, bilhin niyo po si lift sa MA20. Fit naman. Time check, it's 9:21. Time check is brought to you by eToro. Fit. Okay, good sideways trend si Fit yeah, this is a support for Fit. So nga lang, naglalaro sa taas si Fit eh. Baka ma-VLL to eh. But looking good for Fitbit. Low risk position right now, enter the support, right? And then just cut losses if ever mag-break siya ng support. If you wanna invest in Fit. Wala pa siyang momentum, still not on an uptrend, so test buy lang dito. That's for Fitbit. Marims, local po, Union Bank, salamat. Sir, Union Bank. Use Union Bank. Ano nga ba yung ng Union Bank? UBP. Very volatile. Massive drop for Union Bank before recovering. I don't know what happened with Union Bank. Is it the dividends that caused this? Record date, Feb 7. Exit Feb 4. Dahil sa dividends niya. So, it's very volatile right now. I want it to stabilize first before I can say. Bumagsak siya after the dividends. So, that's what you're up against. Okay? Pag nagbigay na ng dividends yan, baka bumagsak ang stock. So, yung nagtanong kanina about dividends, konting ingat. Noel Tarango, Coach, nag-create ako ng account sa eToro last year using your link. Yes, you can access the webinar as long as you use my link. Fund nyo na rin po, right? Para makatrade na kayo sa international market. While you're learning, please copy trade. Mag-copy trade po kayo. Sayang po yung opportunity for copy trading. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Tanong ko lang po, ano po ba ginagamit yung indicator set? We'll talk about that tomorrow. Screener is still free. You just have to share it to FB to enable. Okay. Thank you, Erwin Pagulong. I'll do that. Thank you so much. Wealth Gainer, good morning, Coach. What time in trading sa eToro? We answered that already. Coach, musta na pakiramdam nyo? Meg, did we cover Meg already? I'm feeling well. Medyo masakit pa siya, pero kaya na. Mega World. I want this to give me further confirmations. Anyway, sideways trend pa naman si Meg. Right, further confirmation of a support will be good. Dun tayo sa support pumasok for Meg. Watching from Japan, Joel Zarate, thank you. Nelson Panaligan, good morning, Coach Lloyd. Paki-check naman po si LHC. Thanks, si LHC. Lakas ng gain kahapon ni LHC. Right, so that's the power of divergence for you. Very good company, kaso nga lang under ni Ayala. So Ayala was under scrutiny before. But yes, if this confirms a support, definitely get in. If this does a breakout, definitely get in. So dalawang entry points natin. Pag nag-breakout yan for the downtrend, get in. If ever goes back down to support and bounces, most probably it's gonna continue divergence, then get in the support. So depende po yan saan siya magbibigay ng buy. I love this company. I've been recommending this for long term noon pa. I still recommended it here. Laki ng gains ninyo dyan. Now it's going back, so it's now at the buy opportunities again. Sobrang mura na naman ni LHC. Mas mura pa kaysa binili ni Ayala sa inyo. Yan. So yeah. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Yung 14 outlets po ng GFC na nag-temporary close sa China, laki po ba impact noon? It should give it an impact, pero malakas rin naman sila sa ibang sa ibang countries So it might slow the earnings down. Erwin Vince, pwede po kaya i-short sell si Merck? Thanks. Let's check out Merck, MERCK. MERCK. MRK. Actually, yung short selling levels niya similar to similar to what I did to to AMD, lower high after break let me just let me just create a screenshot para mas klaro. So this is the same situation with AMD kanina, right? Uptrend, it broke the MA20, created the lower high, open. This is where I opened AMD na short selling on the lower high. So do we have a head and shoulder pattern already? So there it is. Then pull back and then pull na naman. This is where you short it. Do not short it here sa baba. Let's wait for it lower high, and then lower high will be the best short position. Okay? For swing trading. This is why I am opening AMD. Similar pattern to this one. Nag-short sell ako kay AMD today, di ba? Because of this pattern. This is the similar setup for AMD. If you wanna check out AMD, very similar patterns, AMD. So, doon tayo sa taas mag-short sell. So, this is what's happening to AMD right now. Umakyat, nag-sideways dito ng konti, and then, there it is, lower high. Kanina, umakyat, nag-sideways dito ng konti, and then umakyat, then there's the lower high, then this is the best area to short sell it. Hopefully, this is gonna be happening to AMD also. Dito tayo sa taas mag-short sell. Huwag sa baba. Nasa baba tayo ngayon kay Mark. So, wag niyo po i-short sell dyan. Time check is 9:26. Erwin, Pagulong, thank you so much. WDC, sir, possible ba shorting? WDC, Western Digital. Oh, yes. Definitely. Yes. Kakatapos lang MA20 niya. Showing us lower highs already. Yeah, possible to for short selling. Huni na ni sir, pwede ba mag-screener sa Investa pero limited lang yung free access? Saka kailangan i-share mo sa Facebook para magama na for 7 days. I see. Cynthia Grace Magalap, oil po. Si oil naman, we're expecting oil to go up the next coming days. Right? Because nasa support si oil. Right? So this is good. Looking good for oil. Hopefully mag-reversal na ito si oil, especially with the scare sa China about yung coronavirus, etc. That should make oil start to go up already. Okay? Sir, I'm lost. Saan ma-access yung webinar? Thanks and good morning. Albert Legarta, send me a message to Financial Freedom 101. Bibigyan kita ng link para sa webinar. Sir, may virtual account ako sa eToro. Nagbuy ako ng Forex. at 1303. Stop loss ko 1303.32 pero nabenta siya at 13305. Bakit po? 1304 yung TP ko. Thanks po. Sagot. I'm not sure what happened, right? Baka na short sell mo, yun yung karamihan na karamihan na issues. Mali yung pinindot, hindi buy kundi sell. Naka short selling siya. Don't go directly to trade. You have to make sure, did you buy it or did you short sell it? Yun yung usual na nangyayari. Okay? But for the can you send me a message? Can you send me a screenshot of your order, right? Sa virtual mo, Kiano. Okay? Thank you, Sir Lloyd. Nakapag-fund na rin ako sa wakas sa wakas sa eToro. You're welcome. Congratulations po. Luigi Gregorio, KPPI po sana, Sir. Constricted Bollinger Band na ba? KPPI. Musta natin sa KPPI? It did a constriction here. This is a good entry point for KPPI. Abangan natin dito sa support. If ever mag-bounce sa support, that's a very solid support for you. So yeah, let's just check it out for support. So, fruit naman, masyado mataas pa. Wait for the pullback. Arfe, good morning. Ay, Arfe, good morning, Arfe. Is this Arfe Gabillanes? Speaking of Arfe, guys, please follow Arfe's page. He is the winner of the trading cup ng ng eToro last December. He won 500% plus he won $5,000 for the competition. Right, and he has insights on trading gold also. We are planning on on a webinar on this February, so abangan niyo po. Follow his page. Let me open it, and before we end, I want to open his page and get the link. Right, so Arfi. The name of the page is Arfi Trading Hub. Right, so search for this right here, Arfi Trading Hub, right? So he has inputs on gold right here. It's just gonna be very helpful for you guys. So please follow his page also. Okay? So golden forex trading signals, yan. He shares his yung mga materials niya, yung mga sources niya, sinishare niya po doon. So it's gonna be very helpful for you. Ay, si Arfi nga pala. Right, so yes, please follow Arfi's page po, right? Very helpful for you guys who also want to learn more in trading gold and commodities. Yung mga naka-join na ng webinar ko with Miss RB, you can still join the future webinars. This is gonna further advance your trading skills. I know you're earning already, but if you sharpen it even further, then mas gagaling pa kayo. So abangan niyo po yung webinar. Albert Licarta, pwede ka ba matudloon saan pag-trade sa gold, sir? Definitely. We teach how to trade gold, right? Just send me a message in my Facebook page so that I can give you the instructions on how to access the webinars, right? So that's it for today. Hopefully you learned a lot. It's a very nice discussion with you guys today. Tomorrow, ang episode natin tomorrow is gonna be very good. It's spotting trends, right? Following trends and spotting reversals. I'm gonna give you the indicators that I use and run through on the indicators and give you links on these indicators para matuto po kayo. So, sa mga newbies dyan, abangan nyo po yung episode natin bukas. Very beautiful Thursday po sa inyo. I'll see you tomorrow. And as always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone. Excuse me. Na-incove na ako.